Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and in my Facebook group we've done a napkin swap. Thistledew Creations is the name of my Facebook group as well as my YouTube channel, and it'll be linked in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. And anyway, my partner for the napkin swap was Nikki Mullins from Summerside PEI, and she sent me these napkins. Is this a note? Yeah, little note. Hi Judy, here are some napkins for you to have some fun with too. Thank you for all the fun ideas and events. It's inspiring, Nikki. And I am trying to have some fun events. So I'm always trying to think of different ways to interact. So let's take a look at the napkins. We've got a cute little gingerbread house, which I am all over. I love the gingerbread theme for Christmas. And then some nutcrackers in silvers and golds. I know my cousin Brad and his wife Anita are into nutcrackers, so I might have to make something for them out of that. And then an old-fashioned Santa, little cocktail style napkin. And then some nice folksy birds and trees and holly and snowflakes. And then this one, a little bit more modern colors with the red, black, and gray. And that's one of those that is, it's snowflakes on 3 panels, and then you get the deer picture on the 4th panel. I've got a couple like that in my collection too. And this one's really cute. This would be good for an ATC series. In fact, I might just do that. I'm not real big into little dogs, but a lot of people are, so I think I could get some good trades with dog ATCs, and these are particularly cute, so that might be fun to play with. And then we've got windmill Kinderdick, more than 700 years of Dutch water management history. Interesting. Must have been an anniversary or something of that. This one's really pretty with the blue lilies. I love those colors. And this one is just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, open it right out to see the whole design. Very pretty. And it seems, well, maybe not. I was going to say it seems a little more sturdy, the paper. But very pretty. I want to decoupage that on something special. Maybe one of the boxes. I got those book boxes, and I want to recover at least one of them where the tape, I bought it at a thrift store and they had put tape on it. So when I tore the tape off, I tore the paper off. And I thought I would just decoupage over top of it to correct that. So I might do that with this. Then we have some strawberries. I love anything with strawberries, especially in the spring, but anytime really. My cousin Diana really likes strawberries. Always makes me think of her. And we've got stork with the baby. And another Christmas one, some holly and some pine. So that'll be fun to play with too. So thanks very much, Nikki, and I hope that the rest of you have received your napkin swap by now. I know there was 1 or 2 that were still lagging. So do let us know in the group when you receive them and give us a little picture of what you received. I think a lot of people forget to do that, and it is helpful, especially for new people, to know what kinds of things are traded. And it just helps us all to get to know who comes through on the trades too. So come through, go all the way through and draw, get your mail and photograph it before you put it away. We all would like to see what you got. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy swapping.